Okay, hello, Babel traders. Welcome to another recap for today on the Babel Traders chat room. I am Paris Jandwani. I'm with Brian Pezim, and we captured some really nice moves. I had one of the best days of this month on Google, Amazon, and JD that I traded this morning. So let me go over the trades that I took uh, and go over my thesis and my process on what did I trade. So at the open, Amazon was one of my tickers that I was playing. When 111 level, that has been Amazon was strong in the pre-market. I was looking for the break of 111, and it was so bullish on the tape. It's within the first minute, as soon as I got in, it immediately popped up within 60-70 cents with volume, and that I was very quick to cover and immediately reversed. And I was looking for the break of 111 dollars for the break of low of the day. And as soon as it broke the low of the day, I got out. So this was still a very quick scalp. On within a matter of 2 minutes, I was out on that trade. Still a very profitable trade on Amazon. Then and on Google, I traded. So Google is one of those trades which I keep highlighting that, you know what, the stock grabs you by the face and tells you to go long or a short. And today's Google was one of that trade stock which was grabbing me by the face to go long at 115. 115 was a very important big buyer on the tape that was not letting the price to drop even a few pennies. So the first time it popped up with volume, it tried to pop up and then immediately got rejected. As soon as it got rejected and went below the 115, so I got stopped out. So on the first trade, small loss there as soon as I got stopped out. And the second time it came back above 115, I went long tier 1 size, and then I added heavy as soon as it tried to drop 115 and did not drop and immediately bought back up. And within a matter of seconds, it moved really continuously, broke the high of the day, and then continued to go higher. And this is a move from $115 to 117.25, which is this is the 117.20 is the area where the sellers are not letting the price to go left and go higher. I did add at 117 for a scalp to capture the momentum on the upside. My target was 117.6, but the volume on the continuation side wasn't there, and I completely stopped out. Not stopped out. I took my final exit at this 117.20 area. So very profitable trade on a tier 2 size on Google, capturing more than a $2 move on it. And then I traded JD, and this is a perfect ABCD pattern pullback play where a stock pops back up, it pulls back to the moving averages. The tape tells you that the buyers are trying to step in, and that's exactly what my thesis was. I went long, sold for the break of high of the day. When it pulled back, this is the price action. I added more, popped back up. I took profits. When it came back again to the VWAP, I added more, took all the profits to the upside, came back, I added more, and then took my profits to the upside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 adds, and then continue to take profits on the upside, but it just did not have that continuation for the break of another high of the day, and that's where I got stopped out at break even. So that was my trade. Those were my trades on the day, and very profitable ones, ending my day as well as week with a very profitable week, as I'll not be able to trade tomorrow. How about you, Ryan? What other trades did you take?
Well, you just went over my trades. Basically, I really liked Google at the open, and a little bit of a pop there, and then that pullback kind of stopped me out. But then as soon as we started to break higher again, it just looked like it was going to go. So I had a little bit of a fake out at the open, but yeah, buyers came in right away. And in JD just broke out right at the open. Didn't really like the way it was setting up going into the open. It was looking kind of weak, but seen that a few times now where the stock's looking weak, and then it just takes off as soon as we start the main buying comes in on the open of the market. So Yeah. So basically, I traded this pretty much the same stocks that you did this morning. So yeah, we're trading pretty much the same.
Awesome. That's awesome. So
Again,
it's
good day. Yeah. Yeah.
absolutely took some same trades, very beautiful trading from both
Yeah.
sides. And a lot of and one of the questions that keep coming on the reading the tape and I keep referring to the tapes side. So if you're interested to check out so there is the on the trading terminal, do check out the course on trading terminal right here. Go to the trading terminal and there are courses, go to the featured ones, and there are multiple courses out there. If you're interested with the reading the tape ones that I especially use for my trading, and do check out the course. There's also a limited time promo going on. If you want to check it out, definitely use the BBT 300 off. If you are interested to get exposed to what reading the tape skill is and what are the concepts related to it, and where I come from, where the stop tells you to grab you by the face and take that trade. So so do check that out, and a very profitable day on the in the chat room. So keep it green.
Yep. Yep. Thanks, everybody. And yeah, check out Paris's course.
Thank you. Have a great day, Brian. Thank you. Bye.